Create the Material Handling Advisor agent to help operators understand material handling policies to be followed in the warehouse during the inbound process. The AI agent Material Handling Advisor helps receiving agents and warehouse operators access and interpret company or inventory organization specific material handling policies that need to be followed while executing the receiving and put away steps in the warehouse. To create the agent from the seeded template, we need to follow these main steps. First, we copy the pre-built template. Then, edit existing tools that the agent can use to find and show details. Update the required agent team components like worker agents and tools. And finally, test the agent and make it available for use. To begin, let's go to AI Agent Studio, which is where developers and administrators create and manage these AI agents. Log into Oracle Fusion Cloud using the provided credentials. From the home page, toggle to the Tools springboard and click on the tile for AI Agent Studio. In the AI Agent Studio tab, search for Material Handling Advisor. Click on the icon for copy template. In the pop-up, enter suffix as _XX, where XX is the suffix to the student ID. Click Continue. Here we can review the pre-built agent template that has been copied for our use. In this agent designer view, we can see that this worker agent has a tool and a topic that has been assigned to it and which are part of this agent's workflow. We'll take a closer look at these tools and topics in some time. Click on the gear wheel settings icon to see details such as family, product, agent team, and code. The description can also be seen. Switch to the questions tab and enter the starter questions that will suit the business needs best. Remove the existing questions. The existing questions can also be reused if they make sense for your specific business case. For this activity, enter one question as how to put away items in the warehouse. One or more questions can be added here as per the business requirement. Switch to the Security tab and add the roles applicable to this agent for security. One by one, add the roles for Inventory Manager and Warehouse Manager by clicking on Add, selecting the role name from the drop-down, and clicking on Apply. These are the same roles which are created in Security Console. Click Update. On the worker agent level, click Edit. The worker agent acts as a grouping object which groups lower-level components for the AI agent such as tools, business objects, and topics. Here, the worker agent details such as name, code, family, and product are visible. Update the description to provides instruction on how to put away material. Replace the prompt with how to put away material based on country of origin. The prompt at the worker agent level defines the workflow that has to be followed by the agent across all the assigned tools and topics. This is a simple agent that retrieves information from a single uploaded document based on user queries, and hence a simple prompt is enough for this. Switch to the LLM tab and let the summarization mode remain as enabled using default prompt. Click on Update. Expand the Tools card and on the Material Handling Advisor tool, select View Details. This is the document tool where the name is created with the same suffix as the agent, and we will edit it later from the Tools tab. Note down the tool name. Close the tool window. Next, expand the topic card and click View Details on the topic assigned to this agent. Here we can see the instructions given to this agent on how to respond to user queries based on the uploaded source documents. This topic component works hand in hand with the tool component to provide accurate responses to the users. Close the topic window. Click Save and Close to create the underlying worker agent, tools, and topics associated to this agent team. Toggle to the Tools tab and search for the newly created document tool. Click on the pencil icon to edit it. Update the description to provides instructions for receiving users to ensure material is put away as defined in the put-away policy document. This document tool is used to manage the company's policy document that will be used to provide users with insights based on their queries. Scroll down to the document section and click on the add icon. Enter the document name as putaway advisor underscore XX, where XX is the suffix of the student ID. Select the status as ready to publish. Enter description as contains details on the material putaway policy to be followed in the warehouse. Click on the drag and drop action to upload the file putawayadvisor.pdf provided with this activity. Click Save. Scroll to the top of the Tools page and click Save again to return to the Tools search page. Open the Fusion application using the same instance URL on a parallel tab and click on the Navigator hamburger icon on the top left corner. From the Tools section, click on Scheduled Processes. In the Scheduled Process page, click on Schedule New Process and search for the job name Process Agent Documents. Click on OK to run the job. Click on Submit to submit this job. This job will publish the newly uploaded document and make it available to the AI agent. Click OK. After the job has completed in succeeded status, return back to the AI Agent Studio tab and click on the edit icon next to the tool which was created in the previous step. Scrolling down to the document section, the uploaded document is now in published status, meaning that it is ready to be used by the agent. Scroll to the top of the page and click Save. Switch to the Agent Teams tab and click on the Draft tab. Search for the newly created agent Material Handling Advisor underscore XX, where XX is the suffix to the student ID. Click on the pencil icon to edit the agent team. Click Publish. Find the same agent name from the Publish tab and click on Edit again. Click on the play icon in the top left corner to run the agent in debug mode. Enter questions to review the response. Here in the debug mode, we can see how the agent workflow is getting triggered in the backend, and we can also see which source documents have been used to fulfill this query. Click on the View More icon on Tools to review the input and output payloads generated as part of this query response. We can also see the agent response, which clearly states that if the item originates from China or CN, they need to be placed into stores sub-inventory, and if they come from the European Union or EU, they should be put away into the completed sub-inventory. Now, let's tweak the question slightly and ask the agent how to put away items with country of origin as China. Here, the agent responds slightly differently and says that to put away items with country of origin as China, you should place them into the store's sub-inventory in the warehouse. This helps keep the inventory organized and ensures efficient management. Observe how the agent replies differently from the same information based on the context of the question asked. This agent can be deployed into Redwood page using guided journey and Visual Builder Studio configurations. Close the debug mode window. Click Save and Close on the Agent Builder page. This completes all tasks assigned to you for this lab. You have now successfully copied a pre-built template to create an out-of-the-box AI agent.